Okay, guys, good morning. This is the Blessed Man. I'm taking my morning tea. Okay, this morning I'm going to show you how you can perform your daily task in any club. Yesterday, I dropped a video about how you can make money in any club. In any club, I just joined them, but as I'm talking to you now, um, I'm already a dealer in Nigeria, and kudos to thank God for that. I made a contact and I was given the opportunity. So guys, is a wonderful opportunity we have seen here on any club. So today I want to show you how you can perform your daily task, and you can just put up your wristwatch and for you to see how easy it is. Sorry guys, I'm taking my tea. How easy it is for you to earn money here. Please, if you are new here, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell, the notification bell icon so that I can notify you anytime I drop a video. And I'm going to be doing a lot of video concerning this earning club, explaining to you the things that you need to know. Today, I want to talk about how you can actually uh, do perform your daily task that will make you money at the end of the month. So here, when you come here, if you are just a member, a free member, this is where you're going to click Amazon. If you have paid your $8, you know, if you have, okay, if you paid $8, this is a special trial period. You just have 5 days for you to earn from this particular section, and they were going to be giving you $8 virtual currency if you register. So when you pay your first money, if you recharge $10 or $8, you will be on VIP member one. And then for you to be a VIP two member, you need to pay $50. And then also um, um, upgrade yourself by paying $8. I'm going to be showing you some other time how you can do that upgrade here. So I've done all that. This now what I need to do is to come here. I click on this. Then you can see I have 30 orders to deliver, and for me to start, I just click on grabbing. So once you click on grabbing, you just click on purchase, and then boom, you have performed one task. Click yes. That's all. You can see 1/30. Click on grabbing again. Click on purchase. Click on yes. 2/30. I click on grabbing. You can just watch how many seconds it takes for you to perform one task. It's about 8 seconds, 10 seconds. Click on purchase. So just call it um, 20 seconds. It takes you 20 seconds for you to perform one task. And if it is 20 seconds times 30, that's 600 seconds divided by 60. That's just about 10 minutes. So guys, continue to watch this video. I am going to um, complete this 30 tasks, and then you will hear my voice again. Let me continue taking my tea. I'm going to pause this video and come back. So guys, you can see I have already completed this task right now. This is 30/30 and I have earned $2.62. Look at my total assets is 2.6528 right now. So I am done with today's activity. That is the how simple it is for you to do something on this site. And I want you to take advantage of this. If you have not registered, go to the description of this video. You will see the link. Click on the link and register on any club. You can go to my Telegram, Blessed Airdrop. The link also is in the description. You can go there. You can also join my training group on WhatsApp and also my recommended airdrop. Thank you for watching. This is the Blessedman.